Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this tutorial I will be showing you guys how to fix Roblox not launching. So what you need to do is just go to find your Roblox player and then just right click on it. Then go to the properties. In this tab you need to go compatibility, and then in here you'll see the run this program as an administrator. Just click on this one, so check it, and then click on apply, and then click on OK. So if this doesn't work, then you gotta click on the start and then type add or remove programs, and then in here you can see all of your applications. So you can just search for Roblox and then click on the Roblox player, then uninstall and then reinstall the Roblox. So this is basically how to fix Roblox not launching. See you guys in the next tutorial.